Hello, let me show you how to check the OPPO F9 Pro country. In the beginning, you should go to IMEI.info website, and then when you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen. Then just go for captcha protection. And click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your OPPO F9 Pro. Then if you want to check the OPPO F9 Pro country, you should choose Info and Country check. Click again and check OPPO warranty in country and wait 10 seconds until full specification is provided. There you go, you can come up with plenty of very useful information, and here you can check the country of your OPPO F9 Pro. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.